In the world of love, people often talk about playing hard to get. Even though it sounds strange, ignoring someone can be really interesting and powerful. In this video, we'll explore the powerful ignoring methods and how they can make someone really want to be around you. By learning how to balance being close and being distant, you can make a strong pull that makes him really miss you. So let's find out the secrets and learn about the amazing power of this cool skill. Let's get started. Number 1. The psychology behind ignoring. Think about your favorite toy that you play with all the time. What if someone takes it away and hides it? You'd be curious, wouldn't you? You'd want to know where your toy is and why it's gone. This is like when you ignore someone. When you don't pay attention to someone, it's like being a magic person who can vanish. You stop sharing your time and care with them like hiding a toy. Guess what? People are super curious, just like you. So when you're suddenly not around, it makes their brain wonder why. When someone feels ignored, they start thinking about why you're not paying attention to them. They might ask themselves, why don't they see me anymore? It makes them feel like something is missing, like a piece of a puzzle they need to find. We all want to feel important and loved deep inside. Ignoring someone makes them feel this need even more. They start wanting your attention because they miss how it felt when you noticed them. It's like a little spark that makes them want to be close again. But remember, ignoring someone should be respectful. Don't be mean or hurt their feelings. It's about making a little mystery and showing them how great your attention really is. Knowing this idea can help you use the power of ignoring people smartly so they will want to be around you more. Next time you want someone to notice you for real, try giving them some space and watch how their curiosity brings them closer to you. Number 2. Strategic limitation of availability. Did you know that you're super important in your own life? It's true. You have fun stuff you like to do, special pals, and things that make you really happy. Guess what? This is important not just for your happiness, but also to make someone special want to hang out with you more. When you make time for the things you like and your buddies, you're showing them that you're a cool person worth getting to know. It's like being a shiny treasure they want to find. Having fun without this special person tells them you've got a great life going on even when they're not around. Now, think of a yummy chocolate treat. You really want it, right? But what if someone said they can't have it right now? You'd probably want that yummy chocolate even more. The same thing works with being available. When the person sees your life is awesome without them too, they realize your time isn't always free for them. It's like the yummy chocolate they can't have anytime they want. This makes them extra interested in figuring out how to get your attention in time. They want to join your super cool life and enjoy fun times with you. So by being smart with how available you are, it shows the special person that they need to try a bit harder to be part of your cool world. It's kind of like playing a treasure hunt where their goal is to enjoy the time together with you. Remember, it's good to balance time between your own life and being together. Doing this creates an awesome foundation for a strong friendship or relationship so both people feel important and cared for. So go on and do what you love most. Spend time with your best pals, and let that special person see how amazing and independent you can be. You'll be amazed at how much they'll want to join your super fun world. Number 3. The art of balanced communication. Talking with each other is super important. It's like a secret code that helps you know what they're thinking. But guess what? Not talking all the time can make things even more fun. Think about this. You and your friend talk all the time, send messages quickly, and chat all day long. That's nice, isn't it? But if you take a small break from starting conversations or wait a little before replying, something amazing can happen. You know when you feel excited for a surprise present or a cool adventure? Well, by being a bit quiet in your friendship, it's like giving your friend that same feeling. It's like a sparkly treasure hunt for their thoughts. By taking breaks and not being there right away, you make them curious about what you're doing. They start to imagine what's happening with you, and that makes them want to know more about you. It's like a fun game of, guess what I'm thinking? And guess what? When your friend cares more about the connection, it means they really like being friends with you. They'll want to hang out more, talk to you more, and maybe even plan surprises for you. It's like a secret recipe for making them super interested in being friends. So always remember, talking is very important, but sometimes not talking all the time can make your friendship even more fun and keep your friends coming back to hang out with you. Number 4. Focusing on self-improvement. Think about using all your energy to get better and grow, just like a tiny seed turning into a pretty flower. You can do lots of things to help this happen. Try fun hobbies that make you happy. You might want to learn guitar or paint bright pictures. Let your excitement lead you and try new things. Another way is by doing better in your job or school. Maybe you want to be a doctor, teacher, or even astronaut. Work really hard and learn everything you can. Show everyone what you can do, and you'll be like a star. Also, do exercises, eat good and healthy foods, and always get better sleep. When others see you growing and getting better, they'll think it's amazing. They'll admire the person you're becoming, and the same way a caterpillar turns into a beautiful butterfly, this will make them want to be a part of your life and support your journey. So don't be scared to light up your passion and be the best version of yourself. Believe in yourself. You can make great things happen. Number 5. Respectful ignoring. You know, not paying attention to someone isn't to trick or hurt them. It's really about keeping your relationship balanced. Sometimes if you hang out with someone a lot, giving them some space is good. It's like taking a small break from each other. Doing this helps you make a strong relationship that's built on trust and real connection. It's key to know that this isn't a game or trying to mess with their feelings. It's just about giving them time and space to think. When you nicely ignore them, it's like letting them have a chance to miss you. They may even become curious and want to talk to you again. Always remember, being respectful and honest is important. Understanding how to ignore someone can make a big difference in capturing his attention. There are some clever ways to do this that can make him really interested in you. One way is by not always being available, so he realizes your time is valuable. It's also important to keep communication balanced, so you don't overwhelm him or come across as too needy. Lastly, focus on improving yourself, which shows him that you're confident and independent. This keeps things exciting and keeps him wondering what you'll do next. Embrace the power of being a bit mysterious, and you'll see how he becomes obsessed with you. Thank you for watching.